Morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We're back. It's Wednesday. It's hump day. We're back. We're ready. We got that SPY in-a-day high day yesterday. I'd already rolled out, but we pushed down in the morning, curl back up, and just continue throughout the rest of the day. So SPY looking pretty good today. Over 400 already. So maybe a good continuation into Thanksgiving tomorrow. What's up, Broda? Potsy? Snacks? Yellow. Yellow. All right. We do have a 33% runner. 43 cents. COSM. So it's the same one that was continuing through yesterday. Is now all the way up to 44, 45 cents. Is what it is. It's a penny stock. Don't know if this is like a D-list run. I still couldn't find it. Or if it's like a bankruptcy run. I know they had an appeal to stay on the market like a week ago now. But I don't know.
THMO.
Things right now just go at the weirdest, reason and time. Oh, another front loading chat. Cool. Another front loading chat is playing it. Snacks front loading with them. Gotcha. But yeah, I mean, when there's a theme for it, I'll play them. I don't have a problem with playing the little crappy pennies, but I don't like playing them like as much as you play them. I'll only play them if they get momentum like this. Like, honestly, I probably should have been playing like once this thing recovered. So, because it had its initial big push here, and then it pulled back down to 25 cents and then made it back over 30. So that was your kind of your key. Calms. Didn't Calms have like a billion float though? Cosm is at 18 million, but Calms is at 136 million. Okay, so much thicker.
COSM.
But I mean,
PBR.
a little bit of action is action, so can't be too mad. Okay, it's at 48 cents right now. Hey, Discipline, what's up? Good. How about you? Let's see. I was getting ready to do something I completely forgot. I wanted to see where that call went yesterday.
NMTC.
Because I had a 398 call, super cheap. But I feel like with the decay, because it was same day, I feel like with the decay, it wouldn't have really worked out. I think it'd have been more advantageous to play a 398 call for today. Never mind. It freaking ripped yesterday. So I had I had 40 cents. I had 40 cents, remember? And it went, I had like 40 or 41 cents, and it went to like 75, and that's kind of where I was getting out at right before I left. It went to $2. But I had to BHH all day, you know, it went back down to 44 cents. And imagine how mad I would be if I had 41 cents, didn't sell at 70s or 80s, and then had, like, it never went back up. And I ended up selling at 44 cents. It's always important to take your profits. I mean, I could have held one or two, I guess, but. So, SPY's up a little bit today, but not much. Maybe another dip and rip today, we'll see. Yesterday was pretty smooth. We nailed the bottom here. Is Tesla finally showing some strength? I hate having to look at large caps and SPY, but really that's the only thing going right now. FOMC minutes. Yeah, I always hate FOMC minute day. It's so stupid. It's from a meeting that happened 20 days ago. They finally get to tell us what they said. It's so stupid. Oh, PMIs, okay.
Find.
Where's the thing? I like the FOMC like results, like the meeting results, but the minutes are stupid. PMI, okay, 9:45. So maybe I won't take a trade till 9:45. Jobless claims though 8:30. A nothing burger. It's at 2. The thing is, we already know the result of the meeting. We just get to see what they said word for word. Hold on just a minute, I'll be right back. All right. Getting at slower rate and upside risk. Yeah. G-Sun. I think the Lion was calling that the other day. But it's not a penny. I mean, it's super cheap for sure. What's up, Striker? AKA Dan, the man with the plan. Welcome in, everybody. Thanks for hanging out this morning. I don't know if we're going to try Contexto today or not. That about burnt my brain out yesterday.
BPT, COSM.
Thanks, you as well. You as well. Hopefully it's a good day. Then we'll be back Friday for a half day.
LHDX.
Okay. I see G-Sun's up. I have news. It's getting called. Cow. Cosm. Oh yeah, Calms is the other one. See, when Cosm was running yesterday, I thought it was Calms. I get those two confused because they're both like literal garbage and they have the exact same name. And they were both 5 cents. What happened with what was that ran yesterday and halted? Polly? So it looks like, okay, out the gate, it went straight up, then halted again, and then wicked off. It did have a couple bounces, so you got to bounce close to VWAP, got to bounce off VWAP, but it could never make its way all the way back up. And then it finally got slower and slower and slower. So after moving up pretty much $2-3, it got stuck in a 30-cent range. So, I mean, that's classic 2022. No volume, no volatility. But it got up here, at least, in the first 20 minutes. But then they tightened it up and said, you're going to get stuck between 450 and 5 for the rest of the day. Something looks a little laggy. I don't know why. Says everything's good. Okay, so I mean that one may be a E2 tomorrow, but it's got a big upper wick now. We'll have to see if like the candle forms inside here today. This just warms my heart to see Veru. Just like brother Ocugen down in the dumps. So probably heading for 4 at least. Where do Ocugen end up? So Ocugen is $1.50 now. So I mean that's looking like Veru's future probably. I don't know the float situation, and like Veru might be the same valuation as Ocugen at 4, you know, because it's thinner. But pretty much same scenario, up to around $18 with COVID. They're trying to make a COVID drug and vaccine, and the COVID vaccines were released over here. The official ones, 3 already given to pretty much everybody that wanted one over here, and they're still trying to make the drug over here, and then full fail. Same thing with Veru. But with the nastiest chart. This looks like, I don't know. I don't know what that is, but it's over now. It is over. They need to offer now to really seal the deal.
JFBR.
It had the billion keyword in it, and it immediately got an algo hit. JFBR. I wish it told me when you guys renewed, like when you got to your new month of membership in the inner circle. So I could put that at the top. Because every other streamer I've seen, like every month they get like a special message that they can put, like, oh, resubscribe for XYZ months. I don't know why it doesn't show it. I have no idea. Yeah, and it's on. It's called Member Milestone Chat. After each month of members' membership, they're in a highlighted message which they can send on live chat. Whatever, I don't know. Weird. Very weird. Well, let's do Wordle real quick.
GSUN.
Not a good start. Not a good start. Be strategic here. Stop. Okay.
COEP.
Close. DR.
4.
Drive. Drive it is. Drive it is. All right, let's see what happens at 8:30 here. Got 30 seconds.
TRKA. BPT.
So we're getting close to this downtrend test on SPY. 200 right here. 405. Getting real close.
PRQR. JFBR. NTCO.
Nothing. That was like the least amount of PRs at 8:30 ever. 4.
VGFC.
Well, now what? Oh yeah, the job numbers. Okay, so people are jobless. Actual 240K, forecast 225K. That's what the Fed's loving it. They're just sitting there like, "Ooh, baby, we knocked some people out of work today." And we are proud of it. This is such a weird one, man. Over 280, maybe 3. Right now the market's going down. Not a huge reaction off of that, really.
Calwo. NSTB.
Another day, baby. All right, market's trying to push now. Just a little bit.
NSTD COSM
The prophecies say Fimbulwinter leads.
SID NSTC
I'm gonna find another playlist for the stream, but every one I try, besides the one I'm currently on, it tries to, I get DMCA for it. It says copyright free, but it's actually not.
CGTX NTCO
That's what this is. Loud as hell.
SOBR CPG
Yes. No, that's too, like, boring.
GLDG
I don't know. Man, I'll find one at some point, I guess. The Bitcoin got back above 16 yesterday. 16.5. Really wish there was more to talk about, guys. I really do.
FWBI GRND
Probably pretty smart. Yeah, only thing is, if it had news, I would definitely be all over it. G-Sun. Like, Polly had really good news. PME. I remember this one. I think I played that when it IPO'd, maybe.
Cold.
Very interesting. Over 6. Yeah, COSM at 50.70 now.
VGFC.
Yeah, it kind of did an inside bar here, continued to 6, and now it's still like an inside bar of the mother still. So over 6 maybe. And it's getting high relative volume, but this thing must be thick. 837 million float. So it would be like an algo breakout one. Maybe with maybe if SPY can get some algos turned on today and just kind of have a trend up day without doing much of the BS at the beginning, it may get going. Oh man.
WIMI. Home.
Yeah, COSM keeps trying to get through 50. It just can't. Oil's going down. Is this oil or solar? Doesn't look like oil because it's continuing very strong. Hey, what's up, Judy? I hear you. Yeah, I try to end my days now at 10:30. That's the latest I'll sit at the desk. I'd love to be done as soon as I'm in the stream. Oh, it's cold. Okay. Yeah, the times of staying here and there actually being action all day long. You know, there were some days I didn't even eat lunch. Like, I was starving. Didn't eat breakfast or lunch. I was starving by 4 p.m. because there was just no time to take a break. But now, like, I cannot wait to get away from the desk fast enough.
NTCO.
All right. If I don't get this,
Azul.
or if I don't get close within 25 guesses, I'm just Xing off.
Comes. NSTC. NSTD.
Okay, so it's a human being of some type. Or is it? It's gonna be something stupid, I'm sure. Let's see. Yeah, I would. I'd much rather have a crazy day every single day and not be able to eat every day until 4. That would be fantastic. Oh my god.
BGFC.
Help me out here.
Drib.
And give myself 2 more guesses.
TCDA.
Okay, 1 more guess.
HBM. Doug. ONTF.
Copy, example, display, camera, photograph, reputation, picture.
Cole.
This game's stupid. What does image have to do with man and person? Maybe camera. Yeah, this game is dumb.
TSNYW. Pick.
I figure out who's pushing G-Sun. Okay, so that group's on it. Nothing really crazy though. Yeah, but I mean, I would rather sit here all day and make a doctor's salary at my desk than, you know, have to suffer all day and not be guaranteed anything. If I could sit here from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. and make $10,000 to $15,000, I'm cool with that. I'm cool with that. But if we're in a scenario where it's hard to make 500, and the action stops at 10:30, 11, like completely off, it's just horrendous. Nightmare fuel. Yep. And I only hit base hits when there's action though. Like I don't hold anything for a big run. But I'll hit base hits on like movement and action. There's got to be movement and action though for me to make money. Sustained pattern, you know, follow through, continuing volume, breakout, pullbacks to actually, you know, hold. This thing rejected 50 really hard, back down to 46, 45. Really hard.
Cold.
Yeah. I mean, I guess at a 9 to 5, you get paid no matter what, which is a really good part about it. You could have the absolute hardest, shittiest, craziest day ever, and you get paid. You could have the hardest, shittiest, craziest day, like in a bad way ever with the market, and you'd be down. You could be way down. Waste of your whole... You could sit here for 8 hours and be negative. Especially in this market. Especially in this market. Opportunity is negative right now. Yeah, that's great. I mean, getting paid to do nothing. Fantastic. Over 280 was 3. No problem. The Russell is very close to a downtrend break, like a full from the top to now downtrend break. Like really close. Could that be the beginning of small cap action? We'll see. But look how close it is. And this is, I mean, the from October of 2021. The last good action we had till now. Almost. Almost. Gonna break out of that. Large caps. SPY, oil. Whatever else, Bitcoin, they can do whatever the hell they want. Just let small caps with good news move. I used to drink Red Powerade and Red Gatorade, but I kind of got sick of that fruit punch flavor. But yeah, we are like within days of a small cap downtrend break.
NSTB.
What's up, Berkey? There's not been one single trade to even take today yet. Yeah, this is the 200 SMA too on small caps. Rejected it back in August, which was our last like decent action. It was early August, and then death. Now it's made it back to it, tested it, pulled back to support, and now it's so close to a breakout.
SNSE.
No. No idea.
NSTD. NSTC. Rule.
Okay. Hey, Mike, what's up? MDGS record revenue. Did they just reverse split? I thought MDGS was way cheaper than this. Oh yeah, ADS ratio change. So I guess that counts.
Artia. CTRM. BGFC. OB. TCDA. GTPA. AM.
SINT is still 9 cents. That could be an interesting one. That one used to be pretty culty.
LYLT.
What is wrong with it? Oh, I had an offering. Oh, never mind. Yeah, I did have an offering a little while back. Hey, Mr. Owens, what's up? No turkey crack this week. Yeah, it's just been a week full of Contexto and Wordle. And we still got to do Weddle. We just been playing games, still open pretty much. Premarket's a joke now, opening's a joke, midday's a joke, and right around power hour's pretty much a joke. Alright, let's do Weddle real quick.
MNSO.
Let's start with
OGS.
so AFC holder could be a QB or wide receiver.
WT.
It is a QB. on. Make it a little bit harder than that.
NRBO.
Looks like today is back to ugly charts again. Yeah. If you ever get your hopes up in the year of our Lord 2022, they will be smashed. No doubt about it. No doubt about it. Hopes and dreams get smashed this year.
Cold.
Yeah, that's what it's up on. No, I think it had news. I think. No, it didn't. Never mind. What am I thinking? Had a Form 3. Oh, never mind. It did. It had a Form 3 by Goldman Sachs. But I can't really tell what they own. On November 17th, 2022, the reporting persons experienced a decrease in their beneficial ownership that reduced their beneficial ownership to below 10%. Due to a reduction in excess security borrows. Okay, cool. Oh, I don't know. Yeah, this has been a COSM's been a social media one for sure. All right, we got 23 minutes to burn still. It's definitely been a day that ends in Y so far.
LCI. NRBO.
SPY under 400.
Teva. RSLS. CYCN. BGFC.
BGFC. Another terrible penny down there. The Very Good Food Corporation Company, Inc.
JZ. GMBTW. ASTR. BGFC. Round.
Rumble pre-market highs. What's that? Oh, it's just somebody slapping the ass to get to hit the scanner.
NSTC.
I'm glad I took last week off because this week, plus last week, I'd already been crazy. I already lost my mind with how slow it is and how terrible it is.
GSEV.
There's only so many games I can play and charts I can draw lines to that never follow through because there's no volume and continuation. Yeah, I mean, it got a stick there. I don't know why. VGFC, though, up to 11. Guess I should have bought 10. This one must be low float. No, 92 million. Level 2 is very thin.
WTER. MGNX.
Facing out here.
NTCL.
I'm trying my best to keep focus. What a day.
PAGS. ENVB.
Interesting. I did not see that this thing had freaking news. Did I not get that? Remember I told you like 4 things came through at 8:30. No, I did not get that. Oh my gosh. Why did it not show up on my freaking news feed? Oh, that was 2 days ago. Never mind. Sorry. I'm spacing.
GFI.
They had news 2 days ago. My bad. It was on the 21st, not the 23rd. So, unrelated entirely. This is the day I had news. This beautiful red day here.
NSTC.
Alright, I'm gonna go feed the dogs and stuff. I'll be back.
COS. PRPO. Sent. HMY. Wave.
All right, VGFC had news 2 days ago. I'll pull it up. I thought it was today. U.S. retail expansion with Wegmans and significant distribution points gains across North America, which should have went 2 days ago. That's a very good headline. But that was the day that it did nothing. Did absolutely nothing. So, I mean, whatever.
DLCA.
Whatever. Mm-hmm. No problem. So we have about 8 minutes to burn. Eight more minutes of this to burn.
Pick.
'HLBZ is at 22 cents. My goodness, man. Just straight death for everything. Let's look at our live count for the day of how many stocks have been shoved under $1. And I like to do float. Where the heck's it at? Oh yeah, float over $1 million, just so it gets rid of most of the warrants. There's a couple warrants still in here. Because if you're under $1 million float, you should not be under $1. It just doesn't work that way. All right, so wow. Are we at 600 yet? We are. So I always look at $1 and below. So $1 and below, and I think this is as of close yesterday. 609 stocks under $1.
ASAP. Send.
And I think there were 5 or something at the beginning of 2021. 600. All right, let's step it up a little bit. Let's go to price under $2.
WTI. Bond.
1,106. So 1106 at $2 and under. How about under 100 million float? Under $2. 916. 916. And I will say, not low float, but lower float. Tradable stocks under 100 million, usually under $2. $900. And under 50, I would consider that to be starting to get low float for under 2. And that is 709. Those 709 remotely tradable stocks under $2. There's so many that could go, but they just won't. There's so much opportunity that's just sitting there. Step it up a little bit. Under 5, under 50 million float. You're going to get a couple warrants in there. 1,178 tradable stocks under $5. And when I say tradable, I mean like they could potentially get momentum. Under 50 million usually is the ones that get like the momentum. It's frustrating. Very frustrating.
NTCO.
Yeah, I don't need continuation. I don't need like, and when I say that, I don't need continuation like on the daily of things holding gains forever and stocks just like ramping and like starting an upward move
ICT.
forever. We just need something with good news to follow through. That day. I'm not even asking for a T+2 day. Just one day. Because something has news every day that could run. Every day.
SNAL. PAGS.
All right, see you, Mr. Owens. Have a good one. Happy Thanksgiving. See you Friday.
FOMI.
You don't mean to do that. All right, we got about 30 seconds.
JSUN. Bank. CTRM. NRBO. ACIU. TW. VIRX. DORN. NMTC. MNOB. Comms. YML. JFIN. Money. NRBO. OBLG.
Probably trying to push up a little bit here. 399.87.
BGFC.
90. There's 400.
PSBZ FTK VIAO NRBO
See if we push up through 400 here. Yeah, through 400.
COSM PVLA
SPY, nice green volume and open here.
NMTC
I'm sure that'll lead to death here in about 15 minutes. Or now.
CTRM
Let me look at, see what everything else looks like. Apple. Apple's very strong right now. Very strong. Apple over 150. Tesla. Strong. Interesting. Why are we so slow then?
VGFC CELZ TIGR
What's holding SPY down right now then?
NRBO
Like Apple and Tesla are in straight breakout mode right now. Apple high of day. I don't know. I kind of feel like SPY's bottom is in. I think we're going to continue throughout the rest of the year a little bit. Maybe have a 10% pullback from where we end at. So 410 minus, what would that be? Like 41 cents. So 410 minus $41, I mean, would be 369, which would not be a new low of year. Yeah, I think that 350 level, that's my prediction, is that that's the bottom.
NRBO
Yeah, we could have a 10% correction from 410 and not be at low of year. And I hope everybody, you know, goes short towards the end of the year, just assuming, and they just get squeezed out. That'd be great. All right, there we go, SPY. Cosm over 50. Apple's right near high of day.
KAL Greel
Tesla's a little weak. All right, I'm trying to stick to just playing options right now.
MDWT MNOB KAL
See if we reject this 450 zone.
HETS comms
Yeah, Tesla's kind of on an ugly candle right now, but it's trying to bounce a little bit.
CLLS
Oh, nice hammer actually on Tesla there.
Neon
Took a 402 call on the dip for today's expiration at 55 cents, and that's 75 cents. I went small though because you know, SPY, I feel like it opened likes to fake out. And also we have that news. Something happens at 9:45, right?
COSM
Yeah, that PMI.
NRBO
So maybe I'll reduce some off here.
NRBO
Yeah, I'm not sure why people are pumping G-Sun. I have no idea. I mean, it's the chart's cheap, but so is literally everything else. COSM 54.
PW, PGP, NRBO, COSM. AIRG. Vero.
55.5 now. I'm gonna turn this music down just a little bit.
TCDA.
There's SPY, baby. Let's go. Look at Tesla. Tesla doing the damn thing down here. Look at Tesla. Look at this candle. The Tesla did an opening fake out. Looked like it was going to fall into the shitter once again. And Bull said no thanks. But in 7 minutes, we have the PMI. So just FYI, just keep that in mind, guys.
NMTC, CYCN,
I hear you slapping columns over there, Snacks.
KBNT, MHUA.
Russell is green on the day now.
COSM. VBLT.
185.54 is the 200 for Russell. For old Rusty. I went ahead and closed my calls out. They're just kind of trading sideways right now. I may try to reposition after 9:45.
Vero. FINV, CYCN. PSBX.
Comms at 10.
PSBY. COSM. BBLT. SFBT. WTBA. SJT. NRBLXW. ICCC. Manu. SWN.
I would imagine it pulls back a little bit into that news, but we'll see. Oh, my bad.
Comms. PSBZ, USD. MDWT. CIFR.
About 4 minutes till the PMI numbers.
COSM. CGO. LS. NRBO. YMM. XFLT.
It's actually trying to make another new high of day. Interesting. I did not expect that. We'll see. Apple's pulling back a little bit. Figured they would be just a fuzz of fear up into the actual PMI news. Maybe this is it. Yeah, here comes a little bit of fear.
Vero, SDIG, RNP, PSBY, TCDA, NRBO,
Apple pulling back, Tesla pulling back. Okay, so we're getting a couple pullbacks. We'll reposition after the news. So FOMC is the minutes from their meeting earlier this month. The PMI is, it says S&P Global Composite PMI Flash November, whatever that means, 9:45. But the minutes, FOMC, it's not actually the meeting. It's the meeting results basically from earlier this month.
SES Plus, BIOL,
Okay, so there's the pullback. I expected that up into the actual numbers release. A little bit of fear. Not a whole lot. Apple's already getting a hammer.
PSBY, comms,
Market's still pulling back just a little bit though. So about a minute and 20 seconds until that release.
COSM, BBAR, PSBX,
Apple, big hammer. Apple's testing high of day here.
PSBZ, NRBO, MTC, BIOL, EIGR, SNAL, comms,
He's ripping. Let's see what the numbers are. Actual, yeah, so lower than expected.
COSM, WNEB, CTRM, GRTX,
Oh my god. I had 10 contracts for a put, and I had a stop in just in case the news came out quick. The stop I had at 49 cents and it executed at 25 cents. So thank God I only had 10. But I was green on that position and I actually lost quite a bit on it. Oh, slippage. I love you.
PMCB, TMF, PMCB, MNTS,
Surprised it's faded back down this far. That's good news.
COSM. IMPL. PW. CLLS. ULBI.
Okay, market's starting to catch a little bit now.
VBLT. COSM. AGRX.
Come on, SPY, push. There we go.
MTBC.
Still playing that 402 call. Man, I had 50 cents on it. Now it's over $1, but I'm back in at 81. Thinking SPY's just taking a second to bake this in. Like, look at Tesla's ripping high of day.
LYLM. CTRM.
Apple's trying for high of day. It's big push here. Inflation is going down. So 405. So we got to go over 402 something, 402.40, and then 405.
CMTS and RBO.
Man, I can't believe if I wouldn't have got that slippage, that 24-cent slippage on the put, then I would be sitting pretty right now.
COSM. BCTX. Wave.
Apple high of day.
MTAL plus.
Yeah, it's going nuts right now. It's crazy.
NUWE. Soma. CHRA. Comms.
Apple's still very strong. Tesla still at high of day, testing another new high of day.
NRBO.
Crazy strength.
COSM.
Tesla 177 coming up. Apple 151.15. SPY through 401.50. Wow. Wow.
NRBO. Comms. ILPT. MTNB.
Rusty's really strong as well. Rusty's testing the 200 very soon, within 25 cents. Man, I can't believe that, man. That stop executed so bad.
NRBO. SMLP. PCTTW.
All the market needs is a little bit of hope. And each time we get a little bit better inflation report, then that's the hope.
COSM. EDI. FDNI, CHRB.
Anything actually up today in Pennyland? Not really.
VBLT, NRBO.
Apple high of day.
CALT, NUWE.
I need to get better at holding these calls.
KAVL, NUWE. NUWE, Wheat Show. APGN. GBTG. MDV. Swim. PBYI. COSM. TRDA. Turn.
No one cares what Michigan thinks, Broda. I definitely don't.
SANW. FPA.
Apple high of day. Tesla high of day. Market high of day.
RBSN. MF. PCTTW. SJT. PBYI. COSM. LMB. PBYI. LOCL. NRBO. CTLTLB. SONM.
COSM 56.
TUEM. Hola. TUEM. YSG. TENX. COSM.
VGFC trying to curl off a 9.
NRBO.
You guys making any good trades today? Yeah, that's the 200 SMA on the daily too. That's probably exactly what that is.
WPRT.
Yep. Yep. I see it. COSM 57. Man, she's rolling. 57.5. I don't know what's gonna follow it. BGFC, Comms, Cal, TCDA. Like, there's a couple of pennies that are up this morning.
Smith. BIOL. PW. MTBC. Sand. CTRM. COSM.
All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and roll. Appreciate you guys showing up today. It was an okay day. It was another day in 2022, holiday week. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I hope you have a wonderful Thanksgiving tomorrow. And I'll see you Friday.